Cinnamomum verum, called true cinnamon tree or Ceylon cinnamon tree, is a small evergreen tree belonging to the family Lauraceae, native to Sri Lanka. The inner bark of several other Cinnamomum species is also used to make cinnamon, but see. Verum has a subtler flavor that makes it preferred for certain recipes. What is Cinnamomum verum used for? Cinnamomum verum is a popular medicinal herb with a wide range of applications. It has long been used to flavor food and in pharmaceutical preparations to treat a variety of ailments. For commercial purposes, it is commonly used as candies, chewing gums, mouthwash, and toothpaste in the current period. Which cinnamon is the healthiest? Ceylon cinnamon. Both Ceylon and cassia are healthy and delicious. However, if you intend to consume large amounts of this spice or take a supplement, cassia can be harmful because of the coumarin content. At the end of the day, Ceylon cinnamon is better quality and much safer. Is Cinnamomum cassia safe? Image result. While cassia cinnamon is safe to eat in small to moderate amounts, eating too much may cause health problems because it contains high amounts of a compound called coumarin. Research has found that eating too much coumarin may harm your liver and increase the risk of cancer. Which country has the best cinnamon? Cinnamon is native to several countries including Sri Lanka, Burma, and India. The crop is also grown in South America and West Indies. However, Sri Lanka boasts the best quality of cinnamon. Why cinnamon is expensive? And why is it so expensive? Ceylon cinnamon is made from the dried inner bark of a tree native to Sri Lanka. 1 pound of these quills can cost $27. That's because it's difficult and costly to produce.